Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Protecting your WordPress site from hackers. Whether you're running a business site, an online store, or a hobby blog, WordPress offers the flexibility and ease of use to help make it a smashing success. But to avoid security breaches that could tarnish your reputation, spend a few minutes learning about WordPress security. Thanks to our step-by-step guide, protect your WordPress site from hackers and keep it safe, secure, and working for visitors and customers. Importance of WordPress security. Your website tells your visitors who you are, what kind of content and services you offer, and what they can expect from your brand. It's a place to make a great first impression and build trust and loyalty with existing fans. That's why it's so important to make sure that your website is up and running at all times. If it suddenly includes links to malware, starts running very slowly after a hack, or goes offline altogether, it will impact your reputation. If your site is hacked, you can lose money due to decreased views, sales, or ad impressions. There may be costs involved in restoring it to good working order. You might also lose rankings on search engines, sometimes permanently. So to save money and save face, make sure your website is locked down and secure. What to do if your WordPress site is hacked? If your WordPress site is hacked, there are a few steps you can take to fix the issue and recover your files and database. Determine what happened. Run a malware scan. Restore a backup. Reset all passwords and delete suspicious users. Hire a website security expert. Update your plugins, themes, and WordPress version. This will help secure any vulnerabilities that the hacker could have taken advantage of. Resubmit your site to Google. If your site was blacklisted, use Google Search Console to request a review and get it removed from the list. Here are some essential steps you can take to protect your WordPress site from hackers. Keep WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated. Ensure that your WordPress core installation, themes, and plugins are always up to date. Developers often release updates to patch security vulnerabilities, so keeping everything updated is vital. Use strong passwords. Use complex passwords for all user accounts on your WordPress site, including administrators, editors, and authors. Avoid using easily guessable passwords like password or 123456, and consider using a password manager to generate and store secure passwords. Implement two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Enable two-factor authentication for WordPress login. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide a second form of verification, such as a code sent to their mobile device, in addition to their password. Limit login attempts. Install a plugin that limits the number of login attempts from a single IP address. This helps prevent brute force attacks by locking out users who exceed the specified number of failed login attempts. Disable directory listing. Prevent directory browsing on your WordPress site by disabling directory listing. This prevents hackers from easily accessing files and directories on your server. Secure wp-config.php file. Protect your wp-config.php file, which contains sensitive information such as database credentials, by moving it to a higher directory level than the WordPress root directory. Additionally, you can add code to your .hta access file to restrict access to this file. Use HTTPS. Encrypt data transmitted between your users and your website by using HTTPS. Install an SSL certificate on your server to enable HTTPS, which helps secure sensitive information such as login credentials and payment details. Regularly backup your site. Perform regular backups of your WordPress site, including both files and the database. In case of a security breach or data loss, you can restore your site to a previous state using these backups. Limit file permission. Set appropriate file permissions on your WordPress files and directories to restrict unauthorized access. Directories should typically have permissions of 755, and files should have permissions of 644. Avoid giving unnecessary write permissions to files and directories. Install security plugins. Use reputable security plugins to enhance your site's security. Those plugins that offer features such as malware scanning, firewall protection, and security notifications. Monitor for suspicious activity. Keep an eye on your site for any unusual or suspicious activity, such as unauthorized login attempts or changes to files. Use security plugins or server monitoring tools to help detect and respond to potential security threats. By following these best practices, you can significantly reduce the risk of your WordPress site being compromised by hackers. Remember that maintaining security is an ongoing process, so regularly review and update your security measures to stay connected. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Here's something you shouldn't miss before we wrap up this video. Don't let web giants ban you and kill your business for just no reason. It's time to reclaim your internet marketing and free yourself from the limitations and stress. It's time to get Logii, the first multi-login, multi-account, secure browser for internet marketers, the only browser you should use for internet marketing. Logii browser makes multi-login and multi-account safer by preventing browser fingerprinting. Run ads from multiple accounts from one computer without problems. Do multi-account marketing securely. 100% protection on all social media sites, forum sites, and blog sites. Don't waste money on slow and expensive VPS. Secure multi-login browser right on your computer. Scale your business and earn profits with multi-login marketing. Run multi-login, multi-account campaigns for yourself or clients. So track Logii now. Go to logii.in. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. And thanks for watching.